Etymology and historical origin of the baby name Evelyn. Evelyn is a modern American respelling of Evelyn, which is currently a very fashionable baby girl's name in the United States. Evelyn most likely developed from Aveline, pronounced Evelyn, a Gaelic rendering of the medieval Norman French Aveline, from the Germanic element avi, thought to mean desired, or from the Proto-Indo-European root awi, meaning bird. The Normans were responsible for bringing the name Aveline to the British Isles by way of the 1066 conquest, and it rapidly transformed into a metronymic surname Evelyn. Eventually, it was converted into a gender-neutral given name for both boys and girls. Think, English male novelist Evelyn Waugh. Today, it is almost exclusively considered a female name. Among English-speaking nations, Evelyn is currently most popular for baby girls in the United States, followed by Canada and then England/Wales. As American parents are prone to do, several altered spellings of Evelyn have emerged in more modern times such as Evelyn, Evelina, and Evelyn. Personality of the girl name Evelyn. The number 4 personality is marked by stability and discipline. This is the personality that follows the rules and is conservative by nature. They have an earthbound energy that prefers to build things methodically on top of firm foundations. They don't cut corners. 4s take their time and don't like to be hurried. But the outcome of their endeavors is likely to result in some strong and useful structure, which makes them great engineers and inventors. 4s are anything but frivolous or controversial. This is a trustworthy, straightforward personality that embodies dedication and organization. They are the backbone and anchor in their relationships, careers, and communities. They are tidy, punctual, and full of integrity. Hard work comes naturally to a 4, and they are immensely reliable. This is the personality you can always count on. Popularity of the girl name Evelyn. Evelyn first appeared on America's Top 1000 list of baby girl names in 2002, which also happens to be the exact same year that the more traditionally spelled Evelyn hit the top 100. As soon as Evelyn hit the big time, American parents started playing around with the name spelling. Evelyn is a result of this incessant American need to unicafy an otherwise perfectly healthy name. Evelyn is no longer a top 1000 favorite. She fell off that list in 2011, but she's still the 3rd most popular spelling, after Evelyn and Evelyn. Quick facts on Evelyn. Gender, girl. Origin, American. Number of syllables, 3. Ranking popularity, not applicable. Pronunciation, Evelyn or Evelyn. Simple meaning, desired, or bird. Characteristics of Evelyn. Studious, practical, solid, dependable, conservative, industrious, hardworking. Cultural references to the baby name Evelyn.